How to hide notes from someone on Instagram. So let's get started. First of all, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Instagram account. Once inside the Instagram app, go to your profile. Simply tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now there, tap on the three dashboard option available at the top right corner of your screen. Then in settings and privacy, scroll down and tap on the restrict option available there. Now tap on the next option again. Now search for the account you want to hide notes from and restrict that account. Once you restrict that account, the certain person cannot interact with anything related to your post, including the hiding notes, without blocking or unfollowing them. Now all you have to do is go back to your Instagram profile and start uploading the notes. Simply tap on the note and upload anything you want. So now what happens is the person you restricted will not be able to see your notes but will be able to send you messages, but their messages will be moved to your message request. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.